Hi everybody, welcome to week 4. This week we're going to be starting a new unit. We're moving from marketing to architecture. And so when you go into the video introduction this week, you'll of course see the video that I'm recording right here now. But there are a couple of videos in there that I hope you might look at and find interesting. This one in particular explains the difference between architecture and architectural engineering. The readings this week are really on architectural engineering, but it's a wonderful field, architecture. It's very complicated. There's many types of study, and so this video explains the field to you. And this one, I'm not going to read. You can read what I say about it and why I chose it. It's a short film, and you don't have to watch this one, but I thought it was an interesting one. But please do watch this one so you get a sense of the field of architecture. Okay, now again we're moving into this new unit, but the two readings are about the Hoover Dam, which is a really remarkable piece of architecture in America. And I know many of you have amazing dams in your home countries, so always connect to like what you already know. But so I just want to point out the resources. They're partly in here. I've put them in different places so that you can't miss them. But let's go here. There's information just on dams and the Hoover Dam. But this is really the link I think that's important. Our first reading is going to be on how the dam was built. And it's fairly technical, so I recommend that you start with the videos because that will give you something to hang your brain on, like, oh yeah, I know what they're talking about now because I saw that in the video. So these two videos really will help you understand the first reading. These second videos, the second reading, and this will be next week, so I put them here, but I'll repeat them next week. They're about, the second reading is like what would happen if the Hoover Dam broke. And this goes for like all dams because there would be catastrophic results. And so I just put in a couple of videos about that, okay? So I'm going to go back to the main module. So again, I really want to underscore the fact that you should start with the videos before you actually do the reading because it gives you background or what we call schema, okay? You have your usual, this week in the writing test, you should have received my feedback already on your draft, and then you just complete steps 4 and 5. That means like understanding your errors, using my feedback and making corrections. Here's our weekly discussion on architecture. We have an open discussion as we have every week. You guys are doing a great job on that. We're taking another practice reading quiz this week. Don't skip it. And we take our second grammar quiz. Okay. Also, let's see. Okay, so I've put more materials in here on subject-verb agreement just because that's part of the grammar quiz. And as usual, I've put the keys, which will be published later in the week, okay, for your 4-point. Okay, I think that's it for the week. I will see you guys on Tuesday. I think on Tuesday, I'm not really sure what I want to focus on, but I may do a lecture on subject-verb agreement because it's a pretty tricky, tricky grammar point. Okay, all right, thank you for listening. I'm sorry if this was long. I'll talk to you soon.